some of the common foods which I see a lot of people having in modern India, which are unfortunately also very harmful for the immunity and particularly for the lungs, are baked foods. Dry baked foods, excessive intake of bread, the yeast that is used in the bread, and a lot of the biscuits and cookies that people have throughout the day as their snack, the rusk that people have with their chai, all of these things are not, they take away the hydration of the body. They also dry out, certain organs and have a very contracting sort of effect where the flow of the body gets impeded. And hence, and particularly for the lungs, sugar, dairy and flour-based, too much of flour-based foods as opposed to whole grains or cracked grains, too much of atta-based foods, too much of white or maida-based foods even, all of these are not very nourishing for the lungs. So not just having too much of maida, but having it baked and dried up along with chemicals and sugar and yeast added to it is even worse for the lungs. So we want to be careful in that if you're working on lung health, to have maybe better quality bread, maybe sourdough bread or unyeasted naturally leavened bread, but not the commercial breads that are available out there. Reducing baked foods is good for lung health.